Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online classes. Let's come student. We are already have studied this on chart in our previous class. So now let's come. We have to solve some questions are there based on this chart. So I hope you are understood this one in our previous class. This is for already you know that from apes to man, how the man's became developed, which tools he used, and what their other habits are there. Those are all we have to study from apes to 5,000 years ago. So this one. If I hope you are now very well studied. So now based on this one we have to start now question answer. Look here students, just to in our textbook page number 197, look there properly, study the chart and answer the questions. So already the answers is given here student, but before the looking answer you first read the questions and try to tell your own mind answer. So look here, name the very first tools made by man. Which one? So from earliest man, which tools he has used? First one, based on the chart, you have to give the answer. Look there, hand axe. Yes, first one, hand axe, club, and digging stick. These three tools are earliest man first time he used. Then second question, sir, what were man earliest activities? What is their earliest activity? So I think in the 30,000 to 20,000 years ago, that man's having earliest activity is food gathering, hunting and fishing. Food gathering and hunting, and also fishing is also, sorry, fishing is not there, only hunting. Fishing is how to learn the next 13,000 to 7,000 years ago. So first earliest activity is food gathering and hunting, that much only. And next one, third one, which tools do you think help them in the fishing? Which tools do you think help them in fishing? Can you tell that now? Very well. In the for example 13,000 to 20,000 years ago, some he has using some tools. That's tools very useful for fishing, like harpoon and boat and spear also. Okay, harpoon, boat, spear, these three are very helpful for his fishing. Next one, what kind of clothes did the early men wear? What the kind of clothes? Very simple. He has wearing animal skins and bones also, that type of he is wear. And which tools enable them in the starter farming? Which tools? That is sickle, loom, hoe, axe, and even also this is not their answer student. Boat is not there. Bow, okay. I hope you are understood now. So the some tools enable them start the farming. These are sickle, loom, hoe, axe, etc. And now that seventh question is the student. From here to clan to tribe to territorial community, why did man not live in alone? From earliest man to still 5,000 years ago, this means that this human community, why did not live alone? Why did he seek safety in numbers? Because very easy now, because they are in living together. They can't live alone because there maybe the wild animals attacked him. What happened that time when he was alone? So that is very dangerous to him. That's why he has think that we always live together. We always live together and we have to increase our numbers. He has decided that's the reason he has to develop tribe to territorial community, and man cannot live alone. This is the answer. You have to tell your own mind, no student. And next one, name the first metal they discovered. Which one is that? Copper. First time the earliest man has discovered means invention, that is copper. Keep in your mind. I hope you are understood now. Okay, these are the 8 all the question answer. I hope you are understood this one. Have to look also properly and watch listening properly. So this is this much only based on the answer is for the given this chart now student. Okay, So let's come student. Next class I will start this one, means of travel sub lesson. Means of travel, very small lesson is there, but it is very important to nowadays. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.